Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra, and today I will show you how we can boot this device into download mode. So, to get started, we will need to turn off our device by swiping down from the top right side of the screen and then clicking on the power button and selecting power off. Now when the device turns off, you want to grab a cable, plug it into your computer and have it ready. On the tablet itself, we will begin holding our volume up and power button, and the moment you start holding them both at the same time, volume up and volume down. I don't know why I keep thinking of recovery mode constantly. So you're gonna hold both volume buttons up and down, and when you start holding them, you're gonna plug it in. So gonna begin holding them now. And plug in. And you can see it pops up with this warning page. So here, to continue, all we need to do is press volume up. There we go. And you just heard the computer detecting the device in download mode. And also you can see right here, download mode. It is very faint. There is no any kind of brightness adjustments or anything like that. So I won't be able to just fix this up to make it brighter. But to kind of go quickly over this, in here, obviously we are already in download mode, so the only thing that we can do is leave this mode without utilizing it. And to do so, it tells us that we can press and hold a volume down button and side key, or aka as it's supposed to be called, power button. There is many buttons on the side. Side key isn't very descriptive there. So volume down and power button at the same time. So I'm going to do that right now. And the moment this disappears, you can let go of both of these buttons at the same time as well. So there we go, it's gone. I'm going to let go. And now the device will boot back up into Android. And you can see we're now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.